In this video guide, I'll show you how you can join a Reddit community using your computer. First, you need to go ahead, launch your web browser, then go to reddit.com, log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the search bar in the top and type in the topic or the community you're interested in. And in the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the list of the communities. Go ahead, tap on See More Communities. And here you can go ahead and select any one community that you prefer. Open the community first, then tap on Join, which is highlighted in blue color in the top right. You'll see the joined icon, and you'll also see the newcomer icon in the top right. Now, once you've joined the community, you can create a post. So that's all it takes. You're now a member of the specific community that you've joined. Its post will show up on your home feed, and you can start posting, commenting, and interacting with other members. So that's it with this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.